Hello guys, this is for my all virtual students. Again, this is for my all virtual students in Miss Claxton's class. So these are students I do not have. What you are seeing is my computer screen, and when you get to my Canvas, you'll get to this home screen. As you know, this will be updated calendar, but it doesn't really essentially apply to you, and I'll say week 6 for this week. You will click your modules, my virtual students. And first, let me just say that you will be your calendar, and this will be up top, and everything will be published. It is not published right now, but your calendar is going to be up top, and it says all virtual students work calendar. Okay, ignore Group B's calendar, ignore Group A's calendar, and so then click the calendar, and you will see this video right here, and it's for today or for Monday, September 21st. And it says what to work on in this middle column. First is first. Finish any prior work to this module that you need to finish. Okay? If you do not work on last week's work, which is in module 7.3, all of it, the story elements, you didn't go through the objectives, the standards, the pretest, the vocabulary notes, then part 1, part 2, and 3, and then part 4, please get that done. I will take you back just so you can visibly see what I'm talking about. This will be under the first module, so 7 RL 3-story elements interacting. It was at top last week. You need to read the objectives and the standards and the central questions on your own. Then take this pretest. Then get your notes for the story elements and what they are on plot, characterization, setting, all those things. And with that, you watch the vocabulary videos and you fill in your 2-column notes. So it has a subject on the left and you fill in the blanks on the right on all these different elements for story elements, setting, and characters. So you would load that, and then you will share that document, and it is a document where you make your own copy. You do not write on this one, you make your own copy, and then you share that with me. So unless you can put it in Canvas, but I don't think you can. So if you can, hit submit and it'll be easy. Okay, next, if you still are in this module and you have not gone through part 1, after this, part 1 ready lesson 6, which is on page 53, please click that, do the teaching video that I have instructed you there, and fill in your page for ready. Then next, this is a submission, so this is something you will turn in. You do parts 2 and 3 of your ready book. Make sure you click it, read everything that you need. I have guided you with notes and a teaching video right here, and go ahead and do this either in your book, and you can take pictures and give it to me in an email or submit it through DocCub here. Either way, whatever's easiest is fine. And last was the Prince and the Pauper, and I will get back to you with that in your virtual calendar. So at this point, make sure all that has done and any other missing work that you might have. So I'm going to go back to your calendar. No, you are not my Group E. Sorry. I'm going to go back into your virtual calendar, and I'm going to start with this one. Finish part 4. So this is the Prince and the Pauper and RL7 3-story elements module. The one that you were just in, make sure you've done those 2-column notes and submit all in Canvas. Make sure you add the shared link of your notes with your answer to part 4 questions from pages 56 and 57 in your text entry section. The sheet that I am talking about for the Prince and the Pauper that you first do looks like this. And it does not have anything here. Again, when you get to yours, you would make a copy like I said. And then you would write your answers in red in the boxes. And it goes through like a close reading with the Prince and the Pauper here. Please make sure you do this. And then you would get the shared link. Copy the link and paste that inside of your text entry section along with your answers to pages 56 and 57, which are 3 or 4 questions. When you get finished with that, then you've caught up to the new module, which is this module, week 6 review. So You are going to work on the first assignment. It says Monday, thank you ma'am, short story. You're going to read the short story and answer those questions. When you answer the questions there, again, you make a new copy inside a Google Doc and you write on your copy and then you submit it from there. So I'm going to go back and you will see that it is under Group A's calendar. That's the first submission. That is what I'm referring to as number 2 inside of your calendar. So you would open that here. There is a learning target I want you to read. There's instructions. Here is the actual text that you actually read. I will also have an audio version of it. When finished, you answer the 7 questions on characterization and the plot of the story. Submit this in Canvas today. Click below to access the Google document for your questions. Make your own copy and you'll share the link in the text entry box. And you will then also make sure you get the shared link and put that there. Okay, that's all you do. And then you're done for today. That is a lot if you do not have, if you are not caught up in your work. However, if you have any questions, please email me throughout the day. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a wonderful Monday.